They stand tall or kneel and pray.
Got original Ford Galaxie. They did put these in the 66. The 67 is a little different. But this is original AM and FM, which is real cool. I like how the push buttons work, and I'm going to demonstrate that. We've done a basic Aurora Design conversion. On the basic, I'm just going to show you what it does. And it has AM and FM stereo, which is it is an AM and FM. 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. It's got pre-outs on it if you want to add a sub. With auxiliary in, this is part of your 2-piece cable. Plug this in and you can hide this anywhere in your car, and then plug in your devices and hit play, and it's automatic changeover. I'll show you how that works. Right now I'll demonstrate these push buttons. You notice these little red lines on here. You got FM, which you can pull them out and rotate them. So we're going to go to AM. There's AM, it switches over. Back to FM. If we want to set one up, we just pull it out, turn it over, like that. Let's find an AM station.
Eugenics makes a huge difference for me. Eugenics?
Let's find it. Set it there. Now let's go back to FM.
On Fox 17 meter.
AM. AM. Back to FM. That's how your presets and all work, which is real neat on these radios. Whoever come up with that was pretty ingenious. Got the original background light, and we have the original toner, bass and treble. And the reason why I'm demonstrating this so the guy can see it is it's going to Canada, and there's so much of these just the basics will do. You got 4 channels. You have balance, fader. Built in your toner. You have loudness, EQ, and crossover built in your toner. So if you want to set up your speakers, we're going to set up the 4 here that we got going.
I'm gonna plug that in with Dyna.
We're going to go into fader first, and your wide open treble right there. Back it up just a little bit and go clockwise twice. 1, 2.
Fader adjust.
There's your rears. There's your fronts. That little dead noise you're hearing in there, that tells you that's the center of that pipe. Gonna balance it out, stop moving, she'll set it.
Fader set.
Alright, we're gonna go counterclockwise for balance right and left. 1, 2.
Balance adjust.
There's the right side. There's the left side. Figured we'd run out of music. Let's just keep, as long as your turn is gonna stay in that mode. Alright, there's your one side, next side, let's balance it out. Let her set it.
Balance set.
Back on treble and bass. You know how to do all that now. Your auxiliary in, you'll get a male-to-male cable that comes with this one, and you just plug it in and put any device on it. I have a brand new phone, so I have to have this little adapter. You can find these anywhere, because the newer phones don't have headphone out jacks. But you plug it in, that gives you a charging port and a headphone out jack. All you do is bring your music up and hit play. So you can plug anything into it: satellite radio, CD changers, XM radio, satellite radio, anything that's got a head, your phone, that will actually put a signal over, it will automatically transition over. Now when you get done with your device, just turn it off. You don't even have to unplug it. We're going to unplug this one. And if you don't touch the radio in 20 seconds, it'll automatically switch back. And we're going to let it do that. But since this is AM and FM, you can just turn it off and back on and cancel that 20 seconds down lower. We're going to let it automatically switch it back over and make sure everything's right on it. There we go, switch back. Now we're going to do our loudness and EQ. All you do is this wide open treble, back it up just a little bit. Let's go 3 counterclockwise move. 1, 2, 3.
Loudness on.
Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
EQ on.
Right move.
EQ adjust.
Right move.
Treble adjust.
Now we're going to treble.
dB.
Now we set our treble up on our EQ. I like it about right
Treble set plus 6 dB.
Right move.
Treble adjust
Right move.
plus 6 dB.
I've shown you that I just don't care.
Alright, let her set it.
Treble set plus 7 dB.
Right move.
Fader adjust.
Oh, that ain't what I wanted.
You be man enough to be mine.
Fader set.
Alright, let's go back into EQ again. Go 1, 2, 3.
EQ set.
1, 2, 3.
EQ on.
1, right.
EQ adjust.
1.
Treble adjust plus 7. Mid
You can
adjust.
set your mids.
0 dB. Bass
You can
adjust.
set bass.
0 D. Loudness.
You can set
adjust,
your loudness.
Plus 12. Subwoofer
Set your
adjust.
subwoofer.
0 dB. Crossover adjust.
And now set your
120
crossover up.
hertz.
And let her set it.
Crossover set 85 hertz.
Now you can turn it off and on. And the reason why I've done this is because I don't do a whole lot of basics, but this is the way I wanted to show you. Now we can turn our loudness and off by going counterclockwise 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
EQ set.
1, 2, 3.
EQ on.
1, 2, 3.
Loudness off. EQ off.
Back to normal.
Death don't have no mercy.
So you can cut it off and on after you get it set up. If you by yourself, you want to jam out, you can turn it on so you get a little more punch and EQ and crossover. So if you put a sub and 4 good speakers in, this thing will do it. It'll sound good. That's your original Galaxie AM and FM radio with the Aurora Design basic conversion, and I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.